A finished artwork can be intimidating, but when you break it down, it all happens one brush stroke at a time. With this class, I want to give you a chance to try your hand at making your own colorful, beautiful, captivating, abstract watercolor paintings, which I'm pretty sure will go on your wall. Hi, my name is Fatih, but everybody calls me Fab. I'm a watercolor artist, sketch journaler, and a Skillshare teacher. This is my class number 4, can you believe it? I've been drawing and painting for more than 10 years and I've created for brands and individuals alike. But before that, I was a copywriter. I worked in many agencies and created campaigns for countless brands. I even won a few awards. But one day I said that's enough. To soul-sucking hours and meaningless work. I moved to Poland with my wife and became a freelance artist to draw and paint. Have you ever heard the saying, painting is like cycling? Probably not, I just made it up. But it's true. If you find your balance here once, I'm sure you will keep going forever. So for that, I want to show you 5 different ideas step by step. You will easily follow me and make your own art for your home, your office, or maybe for a loved one. What will we do exactly? We will paint stripes, rays, a simple but elegant pattern, our own designs with masking tapes, and some maps. While painting these projects, we will get a good feeling of how watercolor behaves, how it blends, how quickly it dries, which colors go well together, how much water we should add, and how we can layer different colors. These skills will be very much transferable to your future projects if you want to take my other classes or any other class on drawing and painting. But this will not be it. After painting these projects, we will have a look at what else we can add to these paintings to make them even more special. In 2 lessons, what I call the next level, we will splash all over our paintings, draw, and maybe even add typography. In making this class, I tried many ideas. Some of them worked, some of them didn't. I specifically focused on those which were simple yet delivered a great result. But I will show you failed attempts as well, so you can avoid making similar mistakes. The ideas and techniques I will show you in this class can be used on their own, but they can be combined together as well. So, with what you learn from this class, you can make hundreds of different designs. This class is designed for beginners, but if you are a bit bored and looking for something to do, come in. I'm sure you will get at least one idea for a new painting. Painting with watercolors can be very relaxing and soothing. So take this class, enjoy, relax, and feel accomplished while you are looking at your finished piece on your wall. I'm pretty sure you won't leave it at one. See you inside. Jack will be assisting me with this class like my other 3 classes. Some of you already know Jack and he has some great fans out there, even though he is imaginary. Jack, press start.